All right, let's fire up your core with Dumbbell Ab Crunch Reaches. This move targets your upper abs and gets you working with precision and control. Start by lying flat on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Hold a dumbbell with both hands straight above your chest, arms extended. Now engage your core and lift your shoulder blades off the floor as you reach the dumbbell straight toward the ceiling. Keep the motion small, focused, and controlled. Lower back down slowly. Don't let momentum take over. Stay connected to the movement through every rep. Common mistakes. Avoid pulling with your neck, swinging the weight, or letting your arms drift forward. Keep the reach vertical and the core doing the work. Need a modification? Ditch the dumbbell and use just your hands. Want more of a challenge? Add a longer pause at the top or increase your rep tempo. Stay focused, stay tight, and reach with strength and control.